Samsung is back with the Galaxy A70s, 5 months after the Galaxy A70, and the only major upgrade is the inclusion of a 64 megapixel primary camera, exactly double of the 32 megapixels on the A70. But apart from that, it has the exact same dimensions, specs, soft plastic build, 4500 mAh battery, and the Snapdragon 675 processor. The plastic back on the A70s this time has this diamond pattern, which gives it a different kind of look compared to the A70. As some of you following the channel must be aware that until now, two devices, namely the Redmi K20 Pro and Realme 5 Pro, have failed my practical drop test. AMOLED displays have more chances of damage from the shocks, and thankfully the Mi A3, Realme X and XT, all with AMOLED screens, have survived. So let's find out if the Samsung Galaxy A70s is able to survive all the drop abuse or not. Starting the drop test of the Galaxy A70s from pocket height on hard surface with a soft case and 11D glass from different angles. After 6 hard drops from pocket height, the Galaxy A70s seems to be doing fine for now without any damage. Now continuing with the drop test from 6 feet head height. The A70s has managed to survive the 6 feet camera side and display side drops. Now for the last display side drop. Until now, every device with LCD displays and even AMOLED displays have managed to survive the same amount of impact and force from these hard drops. But unfortunately, as you can see, the Super AMOLED screen of the Galaxy A70s has completely given up and got permanently damaged. This is the first time on the channel that a device has completely failed in this fashion, where just the AMOLED below the glass protection has suffered permanent damage. It is best to handle the A70s with care and use tempered glass protection with an armored case.